Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Montego Bay and we are going to give you an update on the construction of the Moon Palace Hotel in Montego Bay. Now, Moon Palace operates a 700 room hotel in Ocherius, a luxury hotel, and it does very well. So they are now planning to build a second hotel in Jamaica. This one is going to be double the size of the Ocherius Hotel. It's going to be Moon Palace Montego Bay, and it's going to be 1,350 rooms. Now, this is where they're going to build it. This is actually the Unico Hotel that we're looking at. But to the left of this hotel is where they're going to build the Moon Palace. Now, we are out by Lilliput in Montego Bay. To the right of us is the massive Iberostar Hotel, luxury hotel. And then beside the Iberostar, you're going to have a 1,000 room Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. And then beside that, you're going to have the hotel we're looking at now, which is the Unico, which is 451 rooms. And then to the left of the Unico, you're going to have the Moon Palace. So Moon Palace struck a deal with the Hard Rock Hotel chain and a few other, and basically they work together. So that's why they're going to be building the Moon Palace on this property. The same thing was done recently with Hyatt and Bahia Principal. The Hyatt is a much larger hotel chain and they have a lot more guests. So they are now doing a partnership with Bahia and they get more guests. The same thing is going to be done with, or it's being done with, Moon Palace and Hard Rock Hotel. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. But this kind of development speaks volumes about the tourism sector in Jamaica. Rio has 7 hotels in Jamaica. Sandals, numerous hotels. A lot of hotel chains are expanding their operations in Jamaica because tourists want to come to Jamaican hotels. So this is a plus for Jamaica. Alright, so we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The development of 1,350 additional hotel rooms in Montego Bay by Moon Palace Resorts is set to have a significant impact on the region's tourism sector. This new project will be the resort chain's second hotel in Jamaica, following the success of the Moon Palace Jamaica Grand in Ocherius, which has over 700 rooms. Now the location is going to be Montego Bay, St. James, and the new property will feature 1,350 rooms. And it's going to be on the same property with the 750 room Hard Rock Hotel and the 451 room Unico Hotel. These developments will contribute to an estimated 25% increase in the city's hotel room stock, supporting Jamaica's broader tourism growth strategy. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett highlighted the ongoing growth of Montego Bay over the past 12 years, with the city emerging as a central hub within Jamaica's tourism industry. The investment from Moon Palace Resorts and other hospitality giants emphasizes the continued focus on increasing Jamaica's hotel capacity, especially in the popular Montego Bay region. These additions will help the country continue to meet growing demand and position Jamaica as a major destination for both luxury and all-inclusive vacations. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now, can you imagine Lilliput, Montego Bay is going to have 4 major hotels. And this area is a part of the Elegant Corridor. So the Elegant Corridor is going to stretch from the Sangster International, or it stretches from the Sangster International Airport all the way back to Lilliput. You have to say job well done to the Minister of Tourism. He's doing an amazing job here in Jamaica. All right, guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development and the development of all the hotels in this area. All right, guys, have a good day.